How to fix Steam Captcha error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix your Steam's Captcha error. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First, open up your web browser where you normally use your Steam. After you're there, tap on the three dots on the top right. After you tap on the three dots on the top right, simply scroll down till you see the settings option. Tap on it. And after you're here, head over to your privacy and security from the left tab bar. Now here you will need to delete your browsing data. So tap on this. And from here, you can keep your history but delete your cookies and other site data, including your cached images and files. You can also delete your download history and site data and whatever you want, but cookies and cache are the main ones. So tap on the delete button right here and delete those. After you do that, now we'll head over and delete our temporary files on our system. We'll delete our temporary files on our system. So open up your run. You can simply press Windows plus R key, or you can simply search for run and open that up. On your run, what you'll need to type is under 2% sign, you will need to type in temp. Then hit enter. And after you're here, you can delete everything inside of this. So you can control and press A to control everything. Select everything. Then press Shift Delete. Then you will be able to permanently delete these items. Tap on yes. And everything should be deleted. You can continue here. Just delete everything. And after you delete those, you will not be facing any more Steam Captcha error. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.